In this video, we will see what is now function in Tableau. So this is also another function which is help us to return the current or we can say present date and time. So we can see so you can see on the screen here on the bottom right. So it is showing the time as 9:42 and the date is 28/4/2021. So now function returns the current date and time. Uh, so if you want to create this function, you just have to create a calculation field and set the field as now and time. And now click on so just type now and just enter and select this function. So also we can see here on the right side it says now function returns the current date and time. So we don't have to use any input, so we just have to write now and leave it as it is. So after that we just have to click on apply and OK. So if I drag this field that we have just created and then drop it onto the text, so we can say it is showing 2021, which is year. We can see our present year is 2021. So if I click on drop down and select the exact date, so now it is saying 28th of April 2021. So if we compare it to our screen, which is we compare it to our present date, which is 28 April 2021. So, and also we can see the time here. It is showing the 9:43 or the 21:43. So also we can compare it with our present time. So you can see on my screen on the right bottom. So here it is now. It is now being changed to 29:44. So that time that when I created this function, so that time the time was 9:43. So while you will be watching this video, that might be a different time. So actually this function just returns the current date and time. So this is how this function works in Tableau. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.